Okay, planning. Why planning? Why planning is important for the marketing? Because planning is important because we want to working toward our goals and to gain some more profit.
Okay, then the first point is essential in the current economic condition. The banks can realistically consider their use of resource. If they plan so they can know the resources of the banks. Then the second point is efficient corporate plan is an important tool for decision. If they plan, then they can do a better uh, decision.
Okay, two organizational approach. The first one is bottom up. So bottom up is a strategy formulation becomes very difficult, and bottom up is planning can be done individually by the different departments and then submitted to the planning department so that the individual plans can be integrated to form a corporate plan.
Okay, next I will present about the top down. Top down is a lack of realism in the plan and a lack of commitment to the plan by the employee in the bank. Top down, this is decided by the board and communicated to the planning department. Thank you.